If you want to open an app in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, if you open an app, you can go to Background Apps, tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the preview, and then we have Open in pop-up view. And there we go. Of course, we can move it around. We can resize the app quite easy. We can tap on this thick line in order to have a different to access multiple different options that, for example, allow you to return to the full screen. Besides that, if you open settings, we can scroll down to advanced features, then go to multi-window, and over here we have swipe for pop-up view. So we can turn this option on. We can also adjust the top corner area, which we use in order to activate the pop-up view, and we can grab by the corner, either top left or top right corner, and we can quickly open an app in the pop-up view like this. And there is one more method. If we go back to multi-window over here, we can find show multi-window menu with one window, which can be easily enabled. If you do so, at the top and middle of the screen, you should be able to find this thick line, and if you tap on it, we have three options. The first one is the floating window mode. So there we go. We can activate the pop-up view like this as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.